Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we will learn about Oracle Application Express. The short form is Oracle Apex. Okay, we will use this tool to run your SQL script. So whatever practice in the courses, you can try here. To log in, you need to enter 3 items. Workspace, the first one here. Second is your username. And the third one is your keyword. Okay, so I already put mine. Okay, I sign in. Okay, this is the home page of the Apex. As you can see here, there are 4 components in Apex. So in this class we will only use SQL Workshop. Okay, in SQL Workshop we have object browser to see items, object in your database, SQL commands, SQL scripts, utilities and RESTful services. First of all, I want to show you how to add tables and data to your Apex account. This is the ERD for the data that you will use in your practices, in your quizzes. So I will share you this document later. Okay, so now we want to add the data from those ERDs to your Apex so you can use it to practice your SQL. First, please download the data from Spectrum. Next, click SQL Workshop, then SQL Scripts. Click here, upload. Choose file. Then you click upload. Now you can see the schema is already uploaded. Then you click run. Click run now. You can see here there are some error here. This is due to the tables not already existing in the schema. There is actually no issue here. So now click your SQL Workshop again. Click Object Browser. You can see now the table listed on the left of the Object Browser page. These are the tables that will be used in your courses. Okay, this is from the ERD that I shared before. Okay, now we will use SQL commands. Go back to SQL Workshop component. Now we click SQL commands. So here, this is where you can write the SQL statement and run it to see the result. Okay, this is the statement window. You can type your SQL here. Okay, this is a Run SQL button. You need to click this button to execute the SQL statement. This is Save button, so you can save it for future use. Okay, so now we would like to run the statement. So the result will be displayed at the result window here. Here actually you can choose how many rows that you want to choose. In this case we only have 5 rows, but in case you have thousands of rows, so you can limit the rows. Okay, if we save as the SQL statement, can select all, for example. So you can reuse it in the future. Okay, you can see the results and check the Save SQL. If you want to download your result, you can click here, and the CSV report will show. This is the result. Again, if you need to see your tables, you can always click object browser. For example, you want to see the location that we create the SQL statement before, so you can see this is the column name, this is the data type for the table, and this is the data. Remember, 5 rows, so the data is the same for the locations table. If you want to go back to the SQL workshop component, so just click in the tab. So far, that's all. If you want to check the SQL statement given in the slide, so you can run here, and then when you do your practice or your quizzes, you can check your result here also. We will also use this environment for your project. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.